Alright guys, Bearded Redneck here. We're out on a small stream here today, and we brought the kids out. We're trying to catch some catfish and some bullheads for bait. Let's see if we can catch anything. We got the SpongeBob fishing pole going on, and we got the Barbie fishing pole going on. Alright, let's throw some lines in and see if we can't put SpongeBob and the Barbie pole to their test limits. Can they handle this? Let's go.
Might be a big carp.
Remington, go get the fish. Aria, don't pull it up the bank. Let her grab it, okay? Reel your line. Your line's loose.
Daddy, look at how big this.
Here you go, Robert. I got one for you. I got one for you.
Reel, Aria. Reel, reel, reel.
Catfish.
Ever.
Carp. No.
Well, that's a good one, huh? That's a nice one.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
That's real.
It fell off.
Don't. Ooh.
This is a big one.
Keep your rod up. Keep your rod straight up above your head.
Real.
Holy moly, Remington, look at that carp.
The carp.
That's a carp.
Nice carp.
Real. Really fast.
Wait, Remington.
Put that baby in.
Wait, do not pull up. Wait, do not pull up.
Get the big monster. Get the big monster.
Wait, Remington.
Get that big.
It's fighting.
Honey! Let that monster get away. That baby monster get away.
Go on there. Let it go.
We might swim away.
Pull your line up tight.
Get that baby up. Get
Just
that
pull your line tight and hold it right there, Remington.
Get that puppy up. This a big one.
Get up there.
Whoa!
Grab it.
Look at
Put your hand in there.
No. I can. No. I can.
This pole is hard. I could have reeled that up before.
No.
Can you hold it? It's a pretty big fish. Pick it up underneath the head.
This is a big baby.
Can you pick it up?
Pick him.
Grab it out underneath the head and then just one arm in it by the head and the other spot.
Can you do it?
It's not going to bite you.
Actually, they have no teeth.
Okay, show everybody. Show everybody how big it is.
I can help him.
What, are you scared?
No, he's too heavy. Too heavy.
Wow. Is that the biggest one so far?
Yeah.
Are we going to keep it or should we smoke
Keep
it?
it.
Smoke it or should we let it go?
Smoke it. Smoke it.
All right, then you got to lift it up and put it over there in the cooler.
No. Yeah. So we have to
Can you get it? Carry it over to the cooler.
Everett, help open the cooler.
Go grab the pop off the cooler, Evan.
That's your mommy. Evan, hold the pop. Evan, hold the pop. Open the Ready?
No, that's fine. Throw it in the cooler. All right, put the lid on. All right, we better, who wants to catch more?
Me. I can.
Looks like Kevin pulled something up. We don't know what he got.
Stuck, that's what I am.
He's stuck.
Well, you know, it must really like that worm because it doesn't want to give it back. Doesn't want to give my hook back either. There we go. Not a bad channel cat.
Yeah, another nice catfish. Be careful.
Nice catfish.
Carp.
Oh, it's carp.
What'd you get?
A carp.
I'll bring it up here.
2-for-1 deal. Got a little channel cat.
Now they're starting to bite a little.
Yeah.
Catfish and a carp. We better keep at her.
Like it's a door. Oh, there's grass.
What is it?
Nice catfish.
There's a good one. Let's see if this 65-pound line will...
This is only like 14 pounds.
Oh, then you probably don't want to do that. Bring it over here and I'll grab it.
But I can't get him out of the damn weed. There we go. Come right to you.
Okay.
Nice cat.
Eat the catfish.
There's a good eater. Hear it talking?
Yep. What is he saying?
He's saying, leave me alone.
I want to go back in the water. Why do
You know what he's probably saying?
I'm hungry.
I don't want to be supper.
Yeah. He's saying, I'll be delicious with French fries. Yay!
That was hideous.
Skipjack.
Oh, just a little guy.
Good.
Just a little catfish.
We're supposed to be showing you with Barbie poles here, but somebody isn't letting the fish get to the Barbie poles.
I better switch to a Barbie pole.
No.
Bullhead.
Go ahead.
That's a nice bullhead.
There's a bullhead.
That's a big one.
All right, guys, so we're getting into some pretty big carp. I just caught this one down the way. The kids aren't really watching the poles, but me and a buddy are catching some fish, so we're gonna keep a couple of these carp here.
We almost lost the Disney pole.
And we almost lost the Barbie pole to a big catfish, but I'll stay next to the camera, maybe we can get a few more on, but gonna keep a few of these big carp, gonna smoke them in the smoker. So
Daddy,
definitely
I want want to pet the carp.
Pet the carp. Everybody's got to pet the carp.
I want to pet nice carp. It has eggs too. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's, watch your head, Evan.
We think it's pregnant.
I think it's got a bunch of eggs, so maybe we'll deep fat fry some eggs. Maybe I'll make a video on that because the eggs are pretty good to eat.
No.
And a lot of the fish.
No.
But we're gonna get this one in our cooler and we're gonna see if we can catch some more.
I'm gonna keep petting it.
Okay. Now we got the adults using the SpongeBob poles, having the kids pull up the fish.
Nice little channel.
Yeah. We're probably gonna eat that whenever and it hooked deep. Well, we'll keep at her. Okay guys, so what are we using? Simple rig. This is one of my favorite rigs to use for catfishing. As you can see, it's got a sliding sinker on a steel leader. Then I'm just using a hook. Real simple. I got 20-pound line on this. This is one of the bigger poles, but we're actually, as you can see, we're using the SpongeBob poles and the Barbie poles just for the heck of it. It's kind of funny, and we're catching some big stuff on those too. But basically, we're just putting worm on here. Real simple shore fishing. You know, you get into these spots and these little slow water eddies or these little areas right below rapids, and that's perfect. You're gonna get into catfish, you're gonna get into carp. Well, you know, we've been catching a few today, so we're definitely in the right area. But if you just search around some of these smaller streams, the resource is untapped on most of these. Most people don't even go to these areas and fish. We've seen one vehicle and the guy showed up about 10 minutes from us and left. He didn't even give it a chance. We got a whole mess of catfish, but definitely you can get these rigs at Walmart, these ones here, or you can simply just use a snell hook and a weight. I mean, everything's working. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. See these little streams? These are what I like to look for, is these little rapids or ripples. They get a high oxygen content, and a lot of the fish will come up to these so they can get good oxygen. The bait fish hangs out there, so the fish follow up there. And if you see these little bogs on the other side, it's deeper over there, but the fish are kind of hiding under those in the bank and along that side, so that's where we're casting out. These are great little streams to fish. Big carp?
I don't know, I can't. Yeah, it's a big carp.
Big
Here,
carp?
I'll get down there. Come on.
Be careful, you might find in the water.
Let him wear himself out a little bit.
Yeah, that's a big one.
We got
Yeah, and I
Daddy.
only have 14-pound line on this, so it's a lot of fish for a little line.
Oh, that's good catch and release.
Baby up.
What do you guys got? What does it take? 3 people to get a fish in here?
Sure does nowadays.
Oh, you got a nice catfish, Everin.
Real leopard? Real leopard. Okay. Heavy.
Can you hold up your catfish?
Look at that, baby.
That's a nice one.
Daddy.
Yeah. What do you think of that catfish?
Big. Or you leave it alone? It's big.
Is that a big one?
Yeah. Keep it.
Are we keeping that one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go put it in the deal.
Yay, Baba.
Did you get a good one?
Yeah.
What is it?
A catfish. And it's heavy.
And it's what?
Heavy.
It's a heavy one? Okay guys, we're back. We made it home. We're all pretty pooped. But as you can see, we caught some decent fish here. Got a couple nice carp we're gonna smoke. And I think we got 17 catfish here, so got some pretty nice catfish, good eaters.
Daddy, I'm gonna show them.
Got some good sized carp. So basically, if you get a chance, take your Barbie poles, your SpongeBob poles, and hit some of these small creeks. And it's real simple, just a sinker and a hook, and use some worms, and you too can have a mess full of fish to bring home. So until next time, keep fishing, guys.